I love this.
That's a superfood salad, is it?
Yeah.
And is that
A superfood salad is probably the most balanced way
correct?
to have a healthy and a light meal. At the same time, it gives you the right nutrition.
If you want glowing skin, better digestion, more energy, and natural fat loss, stop skipping this simple food. This is not a supplement, not a protein powder. It's something you can make in 5 minutes, and your body will thank you every single day. Today, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate healthy sprout salad. Sprouts are packed with plant protein, fiber, vitamins, and enzymes that improve digestion and boost metabolism naturally. And the best part, no cooking, no oil, no complicated step. I'm simple, fresh, powerful. If you care about your body, start feeding it real food. Comment below, do you eat sprouts daily, yes or no? Subscribe for more simple health and fitness related videos.